Hi everyone, I'm Brandon. I'm from San Fang Chemical. Today I would like to show you our company intro, our service, and our products. San Fang since 1973. Today we are 50 years old, and our main customer like Nike, Puma, Adhesives, and all the big brands. San Fang also the global service providers. We do have a factory in Taiwan, China, Vietnam, Indonesia. Also, we want to do a good service for you guys. We do have a Korea branch, USA branch, India branch. Just be a good service for you guys. Today, San Fang also have a different sectors of business. We start from the footwear and the sport equipment, furniture, automotive, medical materials, functional fabric, and also we do have an electronic. Today, I would like to show you our functional apparel adhesive solutions. Let's see our San Fang innovation and the products. Today, let's speaking our innovation, aero film. What is aero film? Let's see a little bit our aero film structures. Let's begin with a not traditional way. So as you can see, our fabric with the hot melt in the between and the fabric. Actually, our air become brief. But if you use our aero film in the between, the air can go through and can make you comfortable and soft and can breathable and happiness. It can make you feel like extra softness. It can pass really good washing test, like 40 degree and pass the 50 cycles. And it can be the 24 hours, 7 days supportive. And also it is lower degree to laminations. It only use the 120 to 130 degree and it can be a really good bonding solutions. We also consider the sustainabilities, so we do put in our recycled content in there, so it have a 70% virgin plastic and also 30% recycled plastic. We also have a certificate like OECO-TEX and GRS standards. So how to use our aero film? Actually, it's very easy. You can laminate it on your doing the bras, waistband, and buffy, and the active wear. Even you can do the decorations. It's multiple use and multiple function. And the key point here is it can make you breathable and happy and softness and all days comfortable. So let's see our other products. Today I would like to show you the leeches. Our leeches actually can be using for the jacket and the support wear and the climbing wear and the running wear. Different series, different solutions. Today, let's see our W series is very good for the woven fiber or the performance wear. If you consider we want to do the yoga or do the inside wear or just wear the comfortable, you can try our VE series. Also, if you're looking for synthetic tape, San Fang also do have a good synthetic tape for your bonding solution, for do your amazing jacket. We are here for you guys. And if you want to do some special like decorations, San Fang also provide a good decoration. We also have like logos, pockets, support wear, anti-slippery, different solution. You can make it beautiful, you can be your design, you can be your stylish, you can be your fashion. And today we know circular economy is so important for our environment. Consider our environment can be better. We do have a model solutions for circular economy, our Profit Day. Our Profit Day is a fully recycled concept. We can be recycled by the clothes together. In the last part, actually San Fang consider about all your hard work and all the effort need be great. So we provide a really different solution for you. It's a one-stop solution for fashion. Fashion solutions all in one place. If you are looking for different fabric suppliers and the beautiful pattern design and make more connections with our garment factory, we are here for you guys. Let's make a connections, scan the QR code with me. I will get back to you soon. Also, you are very welcome to visit our factory. Let's having fun together.